Last year never going well. New year I still can't tell.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Morning.
It's literally 7 something in the morning. Me and Francine just wake up. We set our alarm to feed our new baby.
It's food time.
Francine gonna be first to feed her. You know?
Look what we got. Look.
So far she not give you no trouble. She not make no bag of noise.
Oh, she's
she
ready.
wanted. She not make no bag of noise, and she just a be a good bird. Me not like it. Literally.
She's a good bird. She's hungry.
Mm-hmm.
Ready to eat, birdie?
Alright, so
It looks funny how we have to feed her, but
I mean, I think I'm gonna show now we are gonna feed her. Because we have to hold back her head. And
that's
this one-
what they taught us.
Yeah, it's gonna look
I
tight.
think you should show it.
Mm-hmm.
It's a baby bird still, so she
You want
can't.
it? Alright, so hold on.
She can't eat by herself.
Francine go feed her, so we're gonna show her this process.
Okay, here you go.
Just hold up her head. Hold it back.
Oh gosh,
She can't do it.
I'm scared.
We know that she couldn't do it. Do it now.
I am.
No. Push. Faster, yeah, do so slow.
Because I can see it coming out. I think it's supposed to go further than this, Andrew.
Wait, but it's stuck. And that may I tell her.
Because he pushed it straight in her belly.
Stop. Stop.
It's not done.
No, well I know. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Another day, another vlog. As you can see, we just a jump out of the shower, just learn all fresh and thing. Today, we have a bag of activities to do. If you don't watch this, just know them vlog are pre-recorded. I don't know if I said this in another video them, but yeah, this pre-recorded. Right now we're about to go for June birthday party. And we have a special surprise for him for his birthday. So stay tuned, you see me? We just a wake up in our little cranky mood, but we're gonna start today, you see me? We just done fresh. So journey with me as we do it for the vlog. We're gonna link Juna on his birthday. Francine in her room, probably still in her sheet, them asleep. But early morning, I'm gonna just jump up and go bed. You see me? So stay tuned. That's what do it for your vlog. I'm at it. So vlog world, another day, another vlog. As you can tell, I'm up on the road. Today is June's birthday, my godson. We're gonna always see I vlog them today on birthday. So for his birthday, I always give him an animal. And him do good with them, you see me? Bingy make sure him do good with them. But man dry, man. Somehow I go complain say my skin dry. Florida! Every time I drink a bottle of water, me have to piss. Ricky there in front of me, as you can tell. We're up on the turnpike. We are going to link up with Juna, because today is birthday. Lately my life been so busy. We don't see a lot going on, but just know I have a lot going on personally. And you know me and Francine start life. And I plan to move again and one bag of shit. So we don't get the vlog them on time. As I say, but wanna bear with me. Life are going right now. You see me, so I try still video as much soon as possible. And we're gonna link Juna as I say. But before we link Juna, we're gonna pick up him gift. See him gift there. I always give him animal for him birthday. Every time my birthday. You see me, cause most of him birthday, me not there for him party. Me had a book for your event. And it's so funny. Today me get book for your show, you know. I'm not going to show you now. Come here, say, I miss June's birthday every year. Every year, I miss him birthday. So, the birthday I miss. I did for the Ashensi and Alkaline show. Literally, I did for book for it. And I cancel it because I'm my godson's birthday. You see me? So, we're going to celebrate today. And thing. Him get 2 birds. One for Naya and one for him. Him get the blue one and Naya get the girl one. You see through them, my brother and sister. Me never want to buy just one gift, you know. I am going to control it, you know, I feed them. But one of him and one of Naya. You see me? And Ricky there up there, so. Ricky there in front. So, we there for we are drive. When we reach, me link on the back. Mad move! So, ladies and gentlemen, we're here. Ricky in the building. Yo, everybody remember Gabby? Gabby taller than me. No, we didn't want to stand up next to her. Gabby taller than me to her arcade. We just a reach. So, Ricky bring that and me bring this. Ross in dead. Oh no, I'm a move. We think in dead.
About 5 minutes to dead.
Let me see. Let me see. Look what I got you, bro. Look what I got you, bro. I know. Look what I got you. You go hold it. Hold it. In this. You want water? No, one of them is yours. No, one is yours. The yellow one is yours. The yellow one is yours. The blue one is yours and the yellow one is mine. Alright, so vlog world. We do out here. Play Uno. Look, panic. Why me a flip over me can? Look, panic can't remember when you buy.
Me see a yellow.
Me can't miss. Me see everything a while ago.
Andrew, you play. Me see a 6.
Am I play? Real. Who just play a while ago?
You're play.
Well, listen me. Go and record the film. Inside game. Alright, so. Jake, stop eating my youth. Me and them little dogs.
Charlie, you're play.
No, wait. Who just play?
You're play, bro. Yeah, you're play, man.
What was the number? 2?
You're play. 2 and red, brother.
If you not have it, just pick up, right?
Already?
Yeah. Alright, go on. So you know.
Oh,
Yeah. Yo, you don't know we play now.
No. It no matter if people.
No, we are playing for a 5 play. We are playing the phone reel.
Yeah, we normally double top.
Yeah, so if you don't have a card, you're going to headache.
Yeah, go on, man.
That one's dead.
Yo, this are gonna be problems, you know? This are gonna be problems, dog, I swear.
Take off 4.
You have a draw 4? You have a draw 4?
If you have this, you can put it on.
No.
Draw 4 then?
Only a 4. You have to take off 4.
Green, man, say green.
You see how me yellow now me. Why can't you teeth, bro?
This is trouble. Bumbo draw 2. Kim, I feel sorry for you. Jesus, 4!
Oh, God.
You have a draw 2, you can put it in.
If you have this, you can put on this.
You have a draw 2?
Only a 4.
And me put on 1 and Charlie put on 1.
No, that's how it works.
Yes,
That's how we play it. That's how we play it.
That's how the game play for you. If you did have 1 2, you would have put. Yeah, turn now.
Yeah, me that in a place.
2 are.
So a green, see me?
Yeah, plus 2 are green. No, yeah, do, yeah.
Wickedness. Alright.
Badness of badness.
Think you're too big.
Go that fuck! Dog!
Go on, are you ever
Struggle? Me know say me a win, you know?
Yo! Jake and colorful!
Shut up!
So vlog girl, we're here. Addy. That's Addy right there. And we got the birthday boy right there. And JJ right there. You enjoy your birthday? See my big bird. Me I carry them over the house.
I got no bird. No!
Hey, Jesus Christ.
No, sir.
Alright, now y'all gotta sit and put on your seatbelt. So vlog girl. We do over Junior. We just drive past the house and see him and him father walking dog. And me say me come give him a link. He want me drive fast. But we there look parking. You know I tell him hi?
Hi.
Your birthday party did late. You still remember it? Mm-hmm. Well guys, his birthday party was a couple weeks ago. So remember me tell you so we just catch up with the vlog them. So we wanna watch early on in another vlog, yeah, Junior birthday party. It's like a couple weeks after we reach here, so. Junior, I'm not parking this far, man. I'm turning around.
Can you try fast, please?
Okay.
His stomach.
You have to move slow. Come on, touch it, let me see.
Touch.
Touch yours. That's Nine-Eyes. Touch yours.
Mine?
Mhm.
No.
He's scared. So vlog girl. Right now I'm there mess with Francine game. Sims. Nothing baby.
What are you recording?
Huh?
Are you playing Sims?
No. How was your day? Come here. Kiwi over there.
I'm about to go to bed.
Well, let me go do my fucking up. Shit. Francine and her bird. Come here.
He doesn't want to claim the bird because she has one eye now. He wants a perfect bird. That's why he doesn't want to claim the bird.
Be careful, stop laughing. Me and choke on the pineapple. Where's the pineapple right now?
Move over.
I'm just forward from over Bingy.
You could have saved some for me.
Go and cut your watermelon, please.
I don't even like watermelon.
Go and cut it for me now.
You really playing?
So, I'm just a forward from over Bingy. And I will have vibes with Francine. Francine just see the bird. I should have catch that. I couldn't see it, you know. Them pineapple are sweet. But with the I will have vibe. And thing. I don't know what she watching soap opera or something. Yeah.
They know what it is.
But
Put him on, guys.
But thanks for watching. Some more content I drop tomorrow. Remember, these are pre-recorded videos, so continue watch them. Tell a friend to tell a friend. One thing. Say bye.
Bye.
Me I try to elevate. Me really want to elevate up. Me I try to elevate. Me know me I go elevate up.